My name is Imani. Imani
Okay.
Alpha. Yeah. Kenyan. I attended both the 2018 and 2019 summits. I would speak to both of them because they had like very different objectives for me. I came into the summit because I was trying to look at how best we can build communities for makerspaces and like developers, and how we can continuously share resources, especially learning resources, to these different kind of communities, so that they can continue to like grow and sort of like achieve the kind of impact that they're hoping to in the different countries, right? And what happened in Ghana is that, or rather, my biggest, my success story off of Ghana is that I got to connect with like similar-minded people and professionals. And when it came to breaking it down to the different sort of like ideas, right? I got to connect with a lot of professionals in the space, and I think the most incredible collaboration that happened off of Ghana was something we did with the guy from Nigeria, or Obasegun. Um, and he organized this Ask Me Anything sessions where I got to participate and share my insights on growing, leading, and sort of like creating developer communities in the continent. So that was quite nice. It kind of happened as a result of this summit. And in Tanzania, I got to meet some very interesting people. I think the one thing that happened that is still very much in the baby phase, I would argue, or it's very much ideation right now, is a collaborative project between myself and Sai. And we're looking at how best do we close the gap when it comes to innovation, because we do recognize that there's tools and there's skills and there's people who are already doing this different kind of things on the continent, but then there's not enough sort of like follow through action to ensure that the different social enterprises sort of like get to see the light of day. And we were hoping then to, or rather, we are hoping to come up with a consultancy based platform where we are tailoring it specifically for African social enterprises, and those that have a lot of like innovation or sort of like some maker aspect to it, and try to push them to like grow to their next level, whether that means scale, whether that means a different market, whether that means access to funding, access to different subject matter experts, those kind of things. And it's what we've been sort of like working on for the last couple of years. COVID did throw a spanner into the works because most of our implementation was had like an in-person model attached to it. But yeah, we would probably pick it up again, seeing that there's some resumption to quote unquote normal activities happening right now. And it could be something interesting to look up for in the next year or two.